Hi everyone, thanks for watching Weather on the Web. Well, we've enjoyed beautiful sunshine, but it's been awfully cold around here. We're almost ready for some warmer temperatures. Morning time, we don't quite have the warmer weather, but as we move through the day, the temperatures will start climbing quickly. And later on this Tuesday afternoon, highs in northwest Arkansas will make it into the low 60s, and in the River Valley, it's going to be mostly mid-60s. Winds are going to be streaming in from the south and southwest today, so get ready for a windy afternoon and early evening. Tonight we'll have partly cloudy skies, a few more clouds over northwest Arkansas. We'll transition into our Wednesday. Temperatures in the morning not quite as cold, but we'll certainly have more clouds around for Wednesday, that's for sure. During the day Wednesday, we're going to be nice and dry with that mix of clouds. Highs for Wednesday will be close to 70 in northwest Arkansas and in the low 70s for the River Valley. As I mentioned, most of the day Wednesday is going to be dry, but as we start to move into Wednesday evening, then eventually overnight into early Thursday, we'll likely see a couple of scattered rain showers into the very first part of our Thursday morning. For more on that and the rest of the work week forecast, be sure to watch Chief Meteorologist Darby Bybee on 4029 News at 4, 5, and 6. Have a great day.